other things I wanted to tell you all about in reference to the flight is that before you get off, you have to fill out this form that says you're not bringing anything in that could disrupt the ecosystem in Hawaii. And it's stuff like plants, vegetables, stuff like that. But it's really strange because the airline has you fill it out and then where you're staying, and then you just give it to them, and then that's it. Like, they weren't real adamant about it being filled out like exactly right or with the right info. They didn't make sure that the info was right or anything like that. The other thing, and the last thing, is that if you are going to travel and your driver's license doesn't have a what they call real ID, then you won't be able to fly or board a flight unless you have that real ID identification. And I'll put a video in that talks about that. And really, that was about it. So that was our flight. Okay, and one other thing I wanted to tell you all was that American Airlines does give you these little blankets when you get on the flight, and they're actually packaged, like they're in a sealed plastic, and they're pretty big. Let me fold it so you all can see, but we ended up getting 4 of them. So there's 2 back there, 1 here, and then this one in my hand. And I guess they just give them on longer flights, and it keeps you warm. I think in the past they used to sell them. See right there, it says American Airlines. And then they just started to give them out. Okay, and just to show you all how big it is, I put it on this side of our queen bed, and it could definitely cover at least half of the mattress. So it's a pretty big blanket, and it's made out of some sort of fleece on this side. I mean, it's soft, and then the other side it's soft too, but you can decide whether you want to open the package and use the blanket, or if you want to just leave it sealed. What they said to me was that if you don't use it, then what they do is they pick them all up and they'll donate them to a homeless shelter or something like that. And the ones that are used that people don't take, because once upon a time you couldn't take them off the flight either. And so they used to collect them before people tried to walk off the flight, because apparently, I don't really know all the story, but I know that I was reading online that they said that if people didn't use them, then they would wash them, or you used to have to be able to buy them for like $8. But they gave us on our longest flights, which was from Dallas to Hawaii, they gave us one, and from Hawaii to LA, that's how we ended up with 4. And I think that's so nice of them to give the ones that aren't used to homeless shelters and wash the other ones and also give them, because a lot of people didn't use theirs. They left them on the seat, and I used mine because I always get really cold. But if you don't, then they go to a great cause. Okay, here's our room. When you first walk in, there's this little closet here. I guess it's for your, I don't know, coat. Then right off the doorway, there's a bathroom here. So it's just the toilet and the sink. There I am. And you walk down this hallway, and it has like this little dresser thing there. And then you walk into what's like a living room area Y'all, this is so amazing. And then there's the dining room table. And then there's a bar area there. And, oops, sorry. I'm trying not to move the camera real fast. There's the rest of that. Then here you can go outside. We got the ocean view. So there's those chairs, and then there's like this seating area, I guess, where you can eat out here as well. They have like a little water slide there. The property is really huge. It is so beautiful. And then the pool's out here. And yeah. And this is the oceanfront room. So there's the ocean out there. So pretty. So let's go back inside. And then you go back in here, and this is where I came in, and then you come this way, and this is the king bedroom, and it is so big. Like, I can't believe how big it is. And then also here, you can go out there, and again, it's a separate balcony. Oh wow, okay. This one actually is a separate balcony. I thought it was connected to the other side, but it's not. It's its own balcony. And then you can see this side. Hi. And then the ocean out there, and then they have cabanas down there on the bottom, so you can see all the greenery there. There's a balcony. When I said hi, there's a balcony right next to us, so they were sitting out there, and I don't know, it doesn't seem. So there's the bed, and then this is another little closet here. I have a lot of closets to hang, I don't know what. And then here's the bathroom. Wow, look at this bathroom, y'all. It's so amazing. There's the bathtub and the shower. When she said we got an awesome room, I didn't think. So, I don't know why they have a scale in here. Don't want to weigh ourselves while we're on vacation. And then there's that water closet there. So, this is like almost a whole one-bedroom apartment. So amazing. God's blessing, I'm telling y'all. God is so good. I will have more vlogs coming as I'm putting them together to share with you all about the trip. So yeah, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.